What the hell was I gonna say?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi! This is your girl Taraluvdiva, and welcome to... Hey, my loves, this is your girl Taraluvdiva, and I'm coming to you today with... This video is all about me organizing my shoes in my one-bedroom apartment. The closet is not big enough for all my shoes. I only took out like 32 pairs of shoes that I normally wear. So I'm going to put those on display here with some shelves I got from... Where did I get these shelves from? From Lowe's. And I'm measuring the tallest shoe I have, which are these camouflage shoes here. So I have to measure the walls compared to these. But I find enjoyment in shoes, which most of these shoes was being sponsored by Shoeland. A lot of shoes was sponsored by Shoeland. I'm not going to just sugarcoat it. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe. Follow me. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.